Window frames settling and causing your window sashes to misalign can mess with your whole vibe at home, but you can totally fix it without calling a pro right away. So, first off, check if the frame itself is shifted or warped because of the house settling over time. That's super common, especially in older homes. If you spot the frame is out of whack, try loosening the screws a bit and nudging it back into place, then tighten everything up again. Sometimes the sash just needs a little shim to sit right. So grab some thin pieces of wood or plastic and wedge them where the sash meets the frame to get a snug fit. Don't forget to grease up the tracks or hinges with some silicone spray to keep things sliding smoothly. No one likes a stuck window. If the sash is loose or falls out easily, you might want to replace the sash cords or check the balance system if your windows have those. Also, keep an eye on weather stripping around the sashes. Worn-out strips can make it feel like things don't line up even when they do. A little routine cleaning removes dirt and grime that can cause sticking or misalignment too. Last tip: if the frame is really crooked or damaged, sometimes it's worth refitting the entire window frame or consulting a local expert to avoid bigger headaches down the road. One of the biggest mistakes with window frame settling and sash misalignment is ignoring early signs like sticking or draftiness, which just makes problems worse and can cost way more money later on. Another common issue is over-tightening screws or forcing the sash back into place without checking if the frame is actually level, causing damage to the wood or metal. Lastly, many folks forget about maintenance, like lubricating moving parts or replacing weather stripping. So their windows end up harder to open and close, which could have been avoided. To fix these, start by paying attention to small annoyances and acting fast. Use a level and gentle adjustments instead of brute force. And set a reminder to clean and lubricate your windows every few months. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle window repairs right. It also helps contractors connect with new clients who need reliable pros for home fixes and upgrades.